we shall start the next topic, that is diversity in the living world, which is found in the chapter The Living World. Here you see what is the meaning of diversity. Diversity means differentiation. Differentiation among the livings. You know that there are so many types of plants and animals found in the nature, and that differentiation, that diversities make the world beauty. So diversity or differentiation in the living is one of the important topics. Now what see we that diversity in living means differentiation among livings. So differentiation among livings is combinedly called biodiversity. Bio means life, diversity means differentiation. So differentiation among livings, so many types of livings are found in the nature, that is known as biodiversity. Next we shall start. You know that such biodiversity is found in some part in more amount, in some in less amount. So now we will start the warm and humid region of Earth. We see that there are three zones. One is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Capricorn, and this one, between these two, the main diversity is found. So it is known as region of mega diversity. So in such zone, the about half of the more than half of the differentiation and diversities are found in that. In such zone, the several countries are found, that is Brazil, India, Indonesia, Malaysia. About 17 countries are found. So about half of the more than half of the diversities are found in such countries. Now a huge number of different types of livings are present in the world, and about 2 millions we have identified and study them, and there are so many are still under unidentified. So about 2 millions the different types of livings we have identified, and then we study about them. So the first the topic is identification. After identification, second point is nomenclature. And third point is classification. So for the study we use these 3 points. One is identification, mean first we identify whether it's a plants or animals or living or non-living, like that. Then we name it, because name is the main things to identify anything. And then after that the classifications, means their arrangement in such groups. After identification, the next point is nomenclature, means naming of any living, means to give name. For that there are two methods. One is tribal or local name, and next one is international name. The local name of any living is different as different places, so we cannot use as a standard name. But international name is which is acceptable by whole world, by the all nations. So this international name we apply to any living. This name is given by, there is two society, one is ICBN and next one is ICZN. ICBN means International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, and second ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. So these are the two society which gives the name of both plants and animals and which is accepted by all nations. The ICBN is now changed to International Botanical Congress, that is in 2011, and this was decided at Melbourne. So these are the society, or these are the centers from which the name is given and which is acceptable by everyone. Now what is the method of nomenclature? What is the method of nomenclature? We use binomial system of nomenclature, that is given by a scientist, Carolus Linnaeus. This scientist gave the system of naming that is known as binomial. Bi means two. The name is composed of two words. Name is composed of two words. First one is genus, second one is a species, or also known as a specific epithets. So genus and a species, they are two names which combines to form the name of any livings. Genus, first, there are certain rules to write. Genus, the first alphabet always capital. Means the first capital of the genus is always capital. Second, species, the first alphabet always small. Understand? First is alphabet of the genus is always capital. First alphabet of the species is always a small. In the printed, we use italics, means in Latin, and in handwritten we underlined it. Means if we write the name in printed, that will be in italics, and if that is in handwriting, it will be underlined. Someone asked that why we use the name in italics or Latins. Its answer is that italics language or Latins are very old language. We do not use now. In other way, we can say that they are dead language. So if they are dead, so there is no chance of any changes in the language. So we use it. चूँकि ऐसा कहा जाता है कि ये लैटिन जो है काफ़ी ओल्ड लैंग्वेज है और इसका यूज़ नहीं होता है, यानी ये डेड लैंग्वेज जैसा है, तो इसलिए हम इसका यूज़ करते हैं कि इसमें कोई चेंज वाली सवाल नहीं होती है. मतलब डेड है, जब वो चलन में होती तो चेंज हो सकता था, लेकिन चूंकि यूज में नहीं है, समझो, तो दैट इज डेड लैंग्वेज. और जो डेड हो उसमें कोई चेंज होने की संभावना नहीं है, इसलिए वी यूज द लैटिन वर्ड्स. समझे? एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ए सिंपल नेम इज गिवन द एज एग्जाम्पल द नेम इन बायनोमियल nomenclature about for the man we use Homo sapiens. This is the genus, this is a species. Genus is started with capital, and this is a species whose first alphabet is a small. Because it is handwritten, so we underlined it. Second example is, this is the man. Second example, magnifier indica, that is of mango. This is capital, and this is the genus, and this is a species. Genus, first alphabet of genus is a capital, and first alphabet of a species is a small, and because it is handwritten, so it is underlined. So the biological name, when you write in the copy, must be underlined. So in sometimes the name of scientist who discovered it, who gave it, also its name was used. As for examples, magnifier indica Linnaeus, means that was given by Linnaeus. So the name is given by any one scientist, we may use its name. So it is the binomial system. If one thing you must notice, that the first letter of the species must be small. Do not never write in capital. Second, sometimes we also use trinomial system of Classification means the name of composed of three words. One is genus, second is species, and third one subspecies. As for example, Triticum, Estivum, vulgaris. They are the name. It is in three types. Okay. First, it is genus. This is a species. This is subspecies. As for example, the name of one is also Homo sapiens. Sapiens. So this is the name of man and this is the name of wheat. So these are the trinomial system of nomenclature, but usually binomial system of nomenclature is used. One thing also we that tautonyme, that is tautonyme. Tautonyme means in which genus and species both are same. As for examples, Adactus, this is the biological name of rat. Both genus and species are same. Similarly, gorilla, this is the name of gorilla, which is also both are same. They are called tautonyme. One thing you must is that such type of name is only used for the animals, not for plants. Tautonyme is only used for animals, not for plants. So they are the types, they are the names. One is tautonyme, in which both the genus and species are same. As for example, Adactus. Such type of naming is called tautonyme.